Hi everyone, it's a bitterly cold day today, middle of January 2020. I've got a potato here that, as you can see, started chitting, so it's not much use for eating, or that could be used. So what I've decided to do is see if I can actually blow it up with a 9mm blank. So what we'll do, we'll drill a hole in it somewhere where it's going to sit level. There we go. Ooh, that's nice, lovely. And we'll just insert that blank into there. Just push it in. There we go. We'll put it in the stand it on the hairy arms target here, something like that. We'll take it down the garden and we'll have a shot at it. Let's see what happens. Follow me. As you can see, the sun is very low in the sky. It's a very cold day. We'll set this camera up here. It's so cold. I'll set this one here. Back up the garden and get the R10 out. Can't see this. That sun is so bright. Let's just have the lens covers off. I'll probably just have the one shot at it if I can see it. I can see it, but whether I can miss it or not is another matter. Let's have a go. Oh, that worked well. I'm going to have to go and remount that. Shell's fallen out completely. Oh, dear. Let's try again. It's so cold. Let's put it back together as best I can. Not sure what I'm there. Let's try again. Oh. That's not working very well at all, is it? Oh, God, what's left of it? Where's the shell gone? No idea. Well, that didn't work at all. No idea where the shell is. Oh, here it is. Oh, crikey. Shove it into the edge of it. This isn't working at all. I'll call it that. Well, there it is. Oh, this is going to be the last shot. It's just too flipping cold. Let's try the last one. That's not worked at all. I'll give up with that. Take the magazine out. Fire this blank shot off. Be back on safe. Wind everything up and go back inside. That didn't work. Yeah.